Our local business spotlight today, we find JT's Backyard Barbecue, off the intersection of Bullhead City Parkway and Highway 95. You will also find JT's at Rotary Park. Jake caters also. Give Jake a call. The food is great. And now let's meet Jake. Hey Jake, I loved your barbecue.
We're right off 95, and we stopped by to pick up some barbecue from Jake. Hey Jake, tell us all about Backyard Barbecue.
Hey, welcome to JT's Backyard Barbecue. We've been in existence for over 10 years, started in Lancaster, California. We still operate there. And now we're here in Bullhead. We're operating here up to 95 and right here at Bull Park Highway, and we're at Rotary Park. And we also cater. All the food is fresh. Macaroni and cheese homemade, beans homemade, everything from scratch. We got everything from tri-tips to ribs to pulled pork, chicken, hot legs, peach cobbler, potato salad, greens, you name it, we got it. So come on down here and see us at our little spot and come hang out. JT at JT Backyard Barbecue.
Oh, and the prices are great, Jake.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You got the chicken plate, you got the pulled pork, rib plate, hot leg plate. You can't go wrong. And like I said, everything is from scratch. Nothing is out of a bag. Nothing is cooked or anything. I do it fresh on my grills. Smoked meat, the pulled pork smoked for like 14 hours. You know what I'm saying? So,
the taste and the flavor is great.
Oh, yes, it is. Yes, it is indeed.
And so what I'm going to do, we're going to just shoot your location here on 95, Highway 95 in Bullhead City. Backyard Barbecue. We'll be back here next week or at Rotary Park.
Exactly. You can call us at, got the card right there. You can give us a call and check in with us also to see where our location is. And if you can be so kind as to read that number on the card, let the people know how they can get in touch with us.
We will do that at Bullhead City Guide for you, Jake. Thank you very much.
Thank you.